Hi, today let's look at a senior aging in place solid panel bathroom remodel that we did. Our client needed easier access to bathe, and so we helped them turn their one-piece tub shower combo into a senior aging in place shower. And there you'll see a before and after picture. Here's what the bathroom looked like before, just a standard tub shower one-piece unit. Let the demo begin. Some of our fun times just happened. Demo. Looks like there's some old debris that we needed to clean out. What are some challenges we find in some older homes? Occasionally, help! Look at this, an unexpected find. A rodent had made a nest in the ceiling up in the attic. And there, when they're tearing things out, it's falling through. And here, it's difficult to see, but we actually had our friend peering into the bathroom. Right here, you see the little eyes, the little paws. Oh my goodness gracious. We found him a new home elsewhere, as you can see. Sometimes there are unexpected finds in newer homes, older homes. So unfortunately here there was going to have to be some lumber replaced up in the ceiling also. We needed to add more framing and support to the bathroom walls and structure, additional bracing for the installation of grab bars that would be installed after we put the finishing touches on, and more bracing for the seat that would be installed there up by the shower water faucet area, as well as for another grab bar. New plumbing, well, the plumber inspected and ran some new plumbing just to make sure everything would work well. Everything's looking good. They installed the solid floor shower pan, got it ready to go. And then here's our friend Flood Test Fred, making sure there's no leaks and that the drain is working properly. How do you prepare for solid panel installation? Well, they used waterproof backer board installed on each of the walls of the shower. You can see there's some there. Here it is with more of it installed. And they left the niche area there. It's going to be waterproofed, but that's for the niche for soaps and other things. Wilson wet wall panels are ready to be installed after everything is gotten ready. This is what our homeowner chose. And you see the niche has gone in there. They've got it taped. They've got a support holding that back panel in place or side panel in place. When it cures, they're ready to install the other panels. And you see there's bracing that holds them in place while they're curing. The real power of wet wall is its exceptional performance. It's created with a waterproof core, antimicrobial protection that inhibits the growth of stain and odor-causing mildew, engineered to withstand everyday use with very little maintenance required. Here's another picture of it in place. It also has an enhanced scratch and scruff resistant performance technology. So it gives it a lot of durability and ease. It's grout free, so it's really created to be simple to maintain. Installation of fixtures are going in now. It's looking good. Rain head shower header and grab bars are installed. A functioning teak shower seat, easy to care for. Frameless or semi-frameless glass shower enclosure was installed. So now we have a much safer and better bathing option for our homeowner. Wow, it's looking great. Before, it was a challenge. Mobility may become challenging as we age in place, but this is a great option.